So everyone has a birthday, and no matter what age you are, it's always nice to receive a little birthday message or video to celebrate the day.
And in this video we're going to show you a few different creative ways you can create those birthday videos using packs from Filmstock.
If you don't know us, we are Chris and Christina, and together with Filmstock, we're here to help you make better videos and empower your inner video creator.
Just before we get into this one, if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss any future tips and tricks videos just like this one. And if you find this one helpful, make sure to hit the thumbs up button as well.
So let's waste no time, let's jump into Filmora 11 and make some birthday videos.
So just before we get stuck into this quick tutorial, you will need to download the birthday packs from Filmstock to create something similar to what I did in this video. And both of the packs that I used are linked in the description below. So the birthday packs from Filmstock have a few different titles, transitions, effects and elements which you can use to create a very cute birthday video for someone you know or someone in your family. I wanted to use these packs in a few different ways to show you just a few examples of what you could potentially create. For the first clip I used one of the birthday titles. I decided to make it a little bit smaller and use it as more of a lower third title for this one so you could still see the video clip in the background. I just simply dragged the title over the clip, resized it and placed it in the bottom left corner. I then changed the text to say happy birthday, and it's pretty much as simple as that really. You could also include a name in the title if you wanted to, just to personalise things a little bit more. For the second clip I decided to do something a little bit different. I used these party hat elements from the birthday party pack. I placed the party hats above each of the girls' heads, and then I did some keyframing on each party hat so that it stays on the girl's head as she moves around throughout this clip. Keyframing is actually quite easy to do in Filmora. All you need to do is place the item wherever you want it to start. For example, I placed the party hat on the girl's head at the start of the clip. Then you just need to click the keyframing tool and slowly move through the clip, changing the placement of the item as you go until you get to the end of the clip, and it's pretty much as simple as that. This leaves you with a final clip which has some added animation to it, which is pretty cool. So you can use all these Filmstock packs individually. You can just put elements on screen over the top of clips. You can also use effects and titles, but I think one of the best things and most effective ways you can use all these packs is to combine different elements together, so layer things up. We like to do that in pretty much all these tutorial videos because I think it just gives you a better end result. So don't be afraid to layer things up, maybe use some filters, elements and titles on the same clip, and I think you'll get some better results. I kept the next clip quite simple just to show how easy it is to add some animation to a clip. I just simply placed one of the birthday party pack overlays over the video, and this helps create a nice effect which is very quick and easy to do. Moving on to the next clip, I thought the overlay number 3 from the birthday celebration pack would work nicely as a frame for a birthday photo collage. So I placed some photos on the timeline and then I placed the overlay above it. I then used another overlay which was just some confetti floating around, which sits over each photo and just adds an extra little animation effect. This is just a very simple way to create a nice appealing collection of photos for a birthday party within an animated video. It's just a very cool way to present some photos. In the final clip I wanted to simply use some of the elements from the birthday packs. This is very simple and easy to do. You can just choose a few elements which you think fit the video and then place them somewhere over the clip. For this video clip of the children eating birthday cake, I decided to use the animated birthday cake as well as some balloons. I placed them on either side of the frame and it just helps add something a little bit extra to the video clip, which is quite minimal and it gives it a nice birthday party feeling.
So now you can create some special moments for your loved ones' birthdays.
As always, those were just a few ideas that we came up with, but feel free to get as creative as you want with it.
You will find links to the birthday packs in the description below, and also any links for Philomora 11. So have fun with that one, keep creating, and we will see you in the next one.